Hi friends, now we are going to talk about another topic is successive approximation analog to digital converter. That is also called as SAR, successive approximation register. So why do you prefer this? It is widely preferred that to avoid the disadvantage of counter type. So that is actual preferred SAR, successive approximation register. So that the successive approximation register is purely based on ring counter. That is purely based on ring counter. What is the role of ring counter in this operation? So simply you have an operational amplifier, that is plus and minus. You have this terminal is A and another one is B. Then you will, that is connected to ring counter. Then that output is connected to output. This is actual procedure. So what is the basic operation of this ring counter? Generally here ring counter operation can be represented as you have A and B. So the first case, initially if you take all are zeros. In this concept, if A is greater than B, when A is greater than B, for example, you have this type of description. So simply how can you calculate that A is greater than B? Means this is replaced by 1. If A is positive is greater than negative, that is replaced by 1, and you can shift this present MSB is connected to this 0 and 0 and 0. If the bit is 1 is if the A is greater than B. That is the actual concept of this. Here A replaced 0 is replaced by 1. If A is greater than B, then you can shift. Then you can take that. Another example is here. For example, same concept. If when A is less than B, for example, when A is less than B means this is replaced by 0. This is replaced by 0. Next you can shift as it is MSB between 1 and 0, 0. This is the concept. Here present MSB with 1 indicates A value is greater than B. Present MSB bit value is 0, that is less than that. Next you can take that. Another example is when A is greater than B. For example, if A is greater than B. In this case, now we are in this position. Okay, already this is over this. That's why you can use as it is 0 in this case. Now we are in this. That is same value you can insert it in this case. Right now we are in this position. That is, next you can shift in this 1 and as it is 0. Like that you will get the data this. Okay. And the last condition, if you take, if you take continuously, you may take like this. If A is less than B, what is the meaning of A is less than B? B is greater than 0. Now we are in which position? We are in this. Okay, then you have to calculate that response is here as it is 0, as it is 0. This is the 1 that is replaced by 0. Why? Because here B is greater than. Then you can shift 1 and you can shift 1. This is the actual procedure for ring counter. Based on this, we can design the circuit diagram for successive approximation. So this is the basic block diagram for successive approximation. We have start button and another is clock pulse. In this we are using control logic circuit. Then that is connected to ring counter. Basic operation of this, that is actual ring counter. Then ring counter output is connected to n bit counter. n bit counter, and that is connected to this n bit counter. Based on this you can connect it to, that is actual digital. We have to represent that is actual digital output. Okay, then the same output is once again connected to this. This is very similar to counter type, but we are adding extra block is ring counter. Then this is actual level amplifier. Level amplifier, and level amplifier output is once again connected to that digital to analog converter. Simply you can take binary ladder digital to analog converter, binary ladder digital to analog converter. Then that output is connected to comparator. It is plus and minus, then that is connected to this. Except this block is total basic block diagram is, except this ring counter block is remaining, all blocks are belongs to counter type. So in this concept, this one is analog input, this one is comparator. This is nothing but reference voltage. Reference voltage. Then this is actual procedure for the entire basic bar. So now we are going to talk about the entire operation of this. This is actual basic circuit diagram. Basic circuit diagram. Now what is the process of the entire pulse is here. For example, if you take that my input value is 6 volts, I am taking that my voltage is 6 volts. Based on this 6 you have to convert. How can you convert this? So that operation is purely based on this operation. The first step one, if input value is 6 volts, here input voltage is 6 volts, then initially V reference value is 0 volts. The V reference value is 0 volts initially if you take. Then what about comparator output? Comparator output is, so here that voltage is 6 volts, this value is 0. Then comparing this, the comparator output may be high. Comparator high. So ring counter changes from initially that is 0 0 0 0 to 0 0. So how can you so now this is the actual process for, initially we have 0. What is the process for 0 means? Initially there is input value 0 if that concept is VA value is greater than VB, where VB is nothing but V reference value. VA is greater than, or VA is greater than V reference. What is the concept is present MSB value is replaced by 1, and that is shift like this. So this is the concept. So what is the 1000 value is 8 volts. Okay. Next step 2. Same. What is the meaning of if VA value is as usual 6 volts? VA value is 6 volts. And what about V reference value is 8 volts. Then comparator output. What about comparator output? Initially you will get the value is 8. So for this 8, that is comparing with 6. So here this positive voltage is less than reference voltage. Comparator output value will be low. Comparator low. For comparator low, so what about ring counter output? Ring counter output is purely based on that output changes from now. Initially, what is the value of this? That is 1 0 0 0. If the value is low, that indicates VI value is less than V reference value. Okay, this value is negative value. So how can we define this? This value is replaced by 0. That value is replaced by 0 and shifted right 1. Next the value is 0 and the value is 0. Like that you can design this. So next. So this is what is the result for this 0 1 0? That value is 4 volts. Okay. Next step 3. Step 3. What is the VA value? As usual, that value is fixed or not? That value is 6 volts. And what about V reference value is 4 volts. Then comparator output. So here that input value is 6, reference value is 4. Comparator output in high. So what about ring counter? Ring counter output changes from for this case is here. What is the value? VI value is greater than V reference. In the earlier time I explained the detailed concept of this. For example, this value is VI, this value is V reference. Like that you can take this. So what is the concept for this step 3? So far we have the value is 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 0. Now we are in, this is the actual position this. So if VI value is as it is 1, you can replace, and that value is shifting like this 0. As it is 0, you can represent it as a 0. Present MSB bit value you can replace to this, and present MSB bit this the operation is now in this case that is replaced by 1. Why? Because VA value is greater than this. So what is the final value is 0 1 1. 0 1 1 value is 6 volts. So then what is the operation for this? Step 4 is equal to, if VA value is 6 volts and V reference also 6 volts, then comparator output is equal. So equal indicates stop the process. So that's the ring counter output. Then the ring counter output is exact, the value is 0 1 1 0 for VA value is 6. So this is actual analog, this one is digital. Like that you can apply for. So similarly apply any input, you will get the same result. Okay. So next, based on this, what are the basic based on this concept, what are the advantages we have? This advantages are is the speed is high. Speed is high. Next one is a good ratio of speed to good ratio of speed to power. Next, disadvantages. Disadvantages are cost is high and complexity in design. Okay, this is the actual operation of successive approximation register. Okay, thank you.